Today in crypto. The first decentralized block explorer was today launched by the hybrid blockchain platform, QANplatform. LibreScan allows crypto holders to explore various blockchains, but all in private. A block explorer is an online tool that tracks transactions made on a blockchain. It shows where digital money has been moved to and from, as well as giving data on the network as a whole. Popular block explorers include EtherScan, which tracks what happens on the Ethereum blockchain, and blockchain.coms, which tracks Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Bitcoin Cash. But such products are centralized, which has led some to say they can be unreliable, or worse, misused to give false information. LibreScan is different as it is an open-source project that anyone can contribute to, and it has no central figure in charge. We need a quick and joint approach to eradicate the only real centralized point of failure threat to secure the accessibility and privacy of all actors in the crypto community. Johan Polkadot, co-founder and CTO of QANplatform, said, "As we have seen recently, one key gatekeeper's failure could cause massive interruptions in the whole ecosystem. This is the reason why we would like to invite every key market player and individual programmer to the community-driven development to create the first truly free, open-source and self-hosted decentralized blockchain explorer, DBE, called LibreScan." LibreScan is also self-hosted, meaning users can run the explorer on their PC, and no one else will have access to the data. Wallet addresses will not be tracked and traced. QANplatform, the platform behind it, is a project that allows developers and enterprises to build quantum-resistant smart contracts, dApps, DeFi solutions, NFTs, tokens and a metaverse on top of the QAN blockchain platform in any programming language. Earlier this year it secured a $2.1 million funding round led by investors and angels such as Ethereum Ventures, Delta Hub Capital, Insignias Capital, and Black Dragon. QANplatform also launched a cloud deployment feature that allows developers to use the project's private blockchain to major cloud platforms like Amazon AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform, in less than 5 minutes. This makes it quicker than installing other blockchains like Ethereum, Polkadot or Algorand. It is the first blockchain platform to automate the deployment function to major cloud platforms, allowing developers to build quantum-resistant smart contracts, dApps, DeFi solutions and NFTs via the platform. QANX, the utility token of QANplatform, was today trading for $0.096447, up 11.3% in the past 24 hours, according to CoinGecko data. Cryptocurrencies have had an incredible year, surpassing the $3 trillion mark at one point in 2021. According to Chainalysis research, crypto adoption increased by more than 2,300% in 2021 as compared to 880% in 2020. This adoption was mainly seen in developing nations of Asia, including Vietnam, India, and Pakistan, proving that crypto has been easily accessible to emerging and underdeveloped nations where banks have failed to create a suitable foundation. With easy internet access, crypto has expanded to every corner of the globe, thanks to its features like fast and cost-effective transactions, transparency, complete ownership of money, and strong privacy. The flippening of TradFi has begun with crypto reaching the ends of the world. Banks have always been plagued by many challenges. One critical problem is that the majority of banks deliver services through intermediaries who demand high fees. For example, making a large purchase of a house, car, or land involves a lengthy procedure with several hoops to go through, including attorneys, notaries, and other professionals that cost an arm and a leg. Another issue is that banks are centralized, which means they are controlled by the authorities, raising the possibility of devaluation or theft. Moreover, today's banking infrastructure is such that banking services are inaccessible to around 1.7 billion adults worldwide. Similarly, the sluggishness with which TradFi service providers, including banks, operate has been a complete headache for customers. To make things worse, several banks have been the victims of different scams and identity thefts. According to the Federal Trade Commission, FTC, approximately 4.8 million identity theft and fraud claims were registered in 2020 in the U.S., representing a 45% increase from 3,3 million in 2019. Although banks have retained their dominance in TradFi, they have failed miserably to reach a major chunk of the adult population. Thankfully, with the advent of cryptocurrencies, finance has become much more accessible to the masses, and it is successfully banking the unbanked and underbanked. The entry barrier of opening a bank account in TradFi has been replaced by easy-to-set-up crypto wallets. These wallets have given users access to all global cryptocurrencies, loans, additional revenue sources, wealth-building resources, and easy money transfers to anybody anywhere in the world with just a smartphone. Moreover, the blockchain technology underpinning cryptocurrencies has eliminated the need for third parties, dramatically lowering the time taken to settle transactions and the costs connected with them. Also, because of its decentralized nature, no single person or institution is able to control, devalue, or take away the funds from consumers, offering them complete control over their money. A rising example of a crypto platform offering easy accessibility to financial services through crypto is Coinovy. It is simplifying crypto for everyone by making it easy for them to buy, sell, and trade securely. While providing transparency and efficiency to everyday digital asset finances, Coinovy also intends to bridge crypto and traditional economies. With its decentralized digital finance application, Coinovy is simplifying fintech through crypto to fiat, C2F, transactions along with giving bank-like features to the unbanked. The present economic system is highly centralized as banks have complete control over the contemporary global financial infrastructure. They are dominating the economies of the vast majority of countries across the world. Although it has some advantages, this type of centralized organization concentrates too much power in the hands of a single authority that could result in severe economic downturns. However, crypto could solve this as the technology behind it is based on algorithmic trust, and its decentralized approach could be a better alternative to the present system. With the advent of blockchain and crypto, the future of finance would be more transparent, fast, and secure. The first public sale has been confirmed and it will take place over a 3-day period. The sale will see 330 million Flick tokens go to the community in a much-anticipated IDO round. The leading Cardano-based crowdfunding launchpad will host the IDO that will bring media financing to the Cardano community. The IDO will run from the 27th of December to the 30th of December. Flicto is the media launchpad that is making media financing accessible to the general public. The Cardano-powered community media launchpad is designed to change the way media projects are funded. Instead of a select few getting to make the decisions on which media projects get funded, Flicto puts the power to choose in the hands of the consumers. Kick holders stand to benefit the most from the IDO as they will receive priority access to the public sale. All kick holders will be able to access and purchase Flick tokens 24 hours before the general public. They will also be able to endorse the Flick IDO and earn rewards from every Flick token sold, which would be paid out in ADA. For those who do not wish to wait for the public sale, they can begin earning Flick tokens by staking their ADA in the Flicto ISPO. Vi Finance users are also able to stake their Vi-Fi NFTs in the ISPO for additional rewards. Each Flick token will be sold for $0.009 during the public sale, payable in ADA, with a KYC requirement. The first round is hard capped at $2,970,000. Cardano is one of the leading decentralized blockchains in the crypto space. This makes it an exceptional choice for a project like Flicto. Users are able to have complete control over their votes and by extension, the media projects which they want to see get funded. What's more, users are able to claim rewards while making their voice heard in an industry that had thrived on exclusivity. Cardano community members are able to stake their ADA tokens on the Flicto ISPO for generous rewards of up to 5%. Through this, the Flicto community will be able to fund innovative films, TV, and streaming shows that would otherwise not see the light of day and artists whose projects are currently deprived of funding. Launched on November 1st, the project has enjoyed much success in its barely 2 months of operation. There are more than 5 million ADA currently staked in the ISPO by over 600 delegators. It has partnered with veterans in the film and media industries, as well as the Kick.io launchpad and decentralized finance platform Vi Finance to unlock strategic future benefits for its users. Flicto is set to officially launch its platform in the coming year and fund its first few media projects. Following the completion of the public sale, the Flick token will be listed on centralized and decentralized exchanges across the crypto space to make the digital asset fully tradable for the public. Flicto has announced a date for its first round DDO in partnership with Cardano launchpad Kick.io. The project is meant to empower the public to choose which media projects they want to see funded. This simultaneously takes the power of media financing out of the hands of a few conglomerates and gives that power back to the masses, as well as enables investors to earn while doing so. The first round DDO is scheduled to begin on the 27th of December and will run through to the 30th. During this 3-day period, investors will be able to purchase Flick tokens at a pre-market price of $0.009 with a total of 330 million tokens out of the total 5 billion supply going up for sale in the first round. Flicto partnered with Kick.io, the leading fundraising platform and project accelerator on the Cardano blockchain, to enable a transparent, efficient, and fully decentralized public sale. Additionally, users of the Kick platform will enjoy some benefits when they participate in the Flicto public sale. Users who currently hold Kick tokens will be able to purchase Flick a day before the general public will have access. Kick holders will also be able to endorse the Flick DDO and earn a percentage on all Flick tokens sold during the public sale for doing so. The first round is scheduled to kick off at 12 o'clock GMT+2 on December 27th and close at the same time 3 days later on December 30th. Investors will be able to purchase Flick tokens using ADA and will be required to complete a KYC verification round before they will be allowed to do so. Flicto is a first-of-its-kind media financing launchpad on the Cardano blockchain. It is a unique opportunity for users to be able to crowdfund the media projects that they want to see and earn rewards for doing so. Users can directly sponsor media projects which they can continue to earn in the form of distribution royalties from successful projects. The Flicto ISPO has been one of the fastest-growing ISPOs on the Cardano ecosystem. Less than 2 months after launch, it has garnered over 5 million staked ADA with over 600 delegators earning from the pool. The ISPO offered as high as 15% for early delegators, with others currently earning a 5% return on all of their staked ADA. Staking in the Flicto ISPO automatically qualifies the holder to be able to vote for media projects, and the more tokens a user holds, the more weight their vote carries in each round. Through another partnership with decentralized finance, DeFi, protocol VI Finance, users are able to earn extra Flick tokens by staking their ViFi NFTs in the Flicto ISPO. Voters assume no risk when they vote for projects that end up flopping but stand to benefit from all successful hits. They're instantly eligible for NFT airdrops associated with the financed media projects, as well as being able to trade Flick on the open market. Going forward, the Flicto project is getting ready to launch its first platform. After a successful private round and what is expected to be an even better first public round, the project will then move on to funding its first few media projects. These projects will be available for the community to vote on, and the projects that receive the most votes will go on to receive financing. Furthermore, Flick tokens will be getting listed on various centralized and decentralized exchanges to enable them to be fully tradable to the general public. Ethereum is gaining pace above the $4,000 zone against the US dollar. ETH price is showing positive signs, but it must clear $4,100 for a strong upward move. Ethereum started a steady increase above the $3,950 and $3,980 resistance levels. ETH even climbed above the $4,020 level and the 100-hourly simple moving average. Besides, there was a break above a key bearish trend line with resistance near $4,020 on the hourly chart of ETH/USD. The pair traded as high as $4,075 and is currently consolidating gains above the 23.6% fib retracement level of the recent increase from the $3,750 swing low to $4,075 high. It is still trading above $4,020 and the 100-hourly simple moving average. There is also a connecting bullish trend line forming with support near $4,020 on the same chart. An immediate resistance on the upside is near the $4,080 level. The next major resistance is near the $4,100 $4,050 level. A clear upside break above the $4,100 level could push the price further higher in the near term. The next stop for the bulls could be $4,200. Above which the price could rise to $4,250. Any more gains could send the price towards the $4,350 level. If Ethereum fails to start a fresh increase above the $4,080 level, it could start a fresh downside correction. An initial support on the downside is near the $4,020 level. The first key support is now forming near the $3,950 level and the 100-hourly simple moving average. The next major support is near $3,920. It is close to the 50% Fib retracement level of the recent increase from the $3,750 swing low to $4,075 high. If there is a clear break below the $3,920 support, the price could extend losses. Technical indicators: hourly MACD the MACD free TH/USD is gaining pace in the bullish zone. Hourly RSI the RSI free TH/USD is now above the 50 level. Major support level $3,920. Major resistance level $4,100. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.